Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you are serious about looking sharp, feeling confident and choosing the right grooming tools without the guesswork, you are in the right place. Today we'll be diving deep into the Manscaped most talked about personal grooming devices, which are the Weed Whacker 2.0, the Handyman, the Beard Hedger, the Mower 3.0 Plus, and their latest innovation, the Mower 5.0 Ultra. Just pure information to help you pick the perfect grooming tool for your needs. Now let's get right into it. Starting with the Weed Whacker 2.0. This is a Manscaped precision engineered nose ear hair trimmer. It features a 360-degree dual blade system that rotates inside the hypoallergenic stainless steel cone tip. Designed to avoid tugging and pulling, it is powered by a 7,000 RPM motor and equipped with skin-safe technology, which drastically reduces the chance of nick or irritation. It's also waterproof, which makes it quite easier to clean under running water or use in the shower. The battery gives you around 45 minutes of cordless runtime on a full charge, and it charges via USB or USB-C. If you are someone who needs reliable, safe trimming for your nose and ears, especially for regular grooming or travel, the Weed Whacker 2.0 is ideal. It is discreet, efficient, and it just works. Now let's shift to the Handyman, Manscaped's compact electric face shaver designed for fast, on-the-go use. This is not a foil shaver or a traditional razor, no. This uses a dual-head hybrid long hair leveler and foil blade system, giving you a clean, skin-close shave with no irritation. It features skin-safe technology, IPX7, waterproofing, a strong motor and a 60-minute runtime from a USB rechargeable battery. It is not meant for shaping your beard or getting sharp lines. It is for guys who want to stay clean shaven or maintain a stubble-free look with minimal effort. The Handyman is perfect for frequent travelers or busy professionals who want to look sharp with minimal bathroom time. If you are not into beard grooming and prefer a clean face, this one is for you. Next, the Beard Hedger is Manscaped's answer to full beard grooming. What sets this apart is its unique zoom wheel, which offers a 20 built-in length settings from 0.5mm up to 10mm, all adjustable without needing to swap guards. The stainless steel T-blade is sharp, precise, and designed to handle thick and coarse beard hair. It has a powerful motor, a 60-minute runtime. It's waterproof for easy cleaning, and it includes travel case and charging dock in most cases. The Beard Hedger is best for men who want full control over their facial hair, whether that's a short stubble or a longer, sculpted beard. It is ideal for daily shaping and trimming without needing multiple tools or guards. If you like versatility in length and precision detailing, this one delivers. Now we're gonna go on to the body grooming. Starting with the Mower 3.0 Plus, this model builds on Manscaped's earlier successes and features a ceramic skin-safe blade system that drastically reduces nicks in sensitive areas. It runs on a 7,000 RPM motor, has an ergonomic shape, and offers around 90 minutes of use per charge. It's also waterproof, and it comes with an LED spotlight, making it easy to see what you are doing, even in low light. It charges with a USB cable and is a great all-rounder for body grooming, especially for men new to trimming below the belt. The Mower 3.0 Plus is best suited for men who want a reliable, beginner-friendly trimmer for chest, groin, and general body hair. It is a great balance between performance without the advanced bells and whistles of this 5.0. And finally, the Mower 5.0 Ultra, Manscaped's most advanced body groomer yet. This model comes with two interchangeable heads, one for trimming and one for skin-close shaving, giving you full flexibility for grooming preferences. It features a new Pro Blade system with updated skin-safe tech, a turbo-powered 7,000 RPM motor, and adjustable intensity settings for better control. You also get wireless QI charging, 100% waterproof design, and improved LED spotlight. and a sleek modern build. The 5.0 Ultra is for the guy who wants the absolute best. Whether you trim regularly, prefer a completely smooth finish, or need precision for your entire body, it is premium, versatile, and ideal for serious grooming routines. So how do they compare? If nose and ear hair is your focus, get the Weed Whacker 2.0 for quick, clean facial shaving. The Handyman has you covered. Want to style and manage a full beard? The Beard Hedger is the all-in-one solution for affordable, solid body grooming. The Mower 3.0 is reliable and efficient. But if you want top tier performance, multiple grooming modes, and future ready features, then the Mower 5.0 Ultra is unmatched. Manscaped has carved out a clear path for every type of groomer. From your nose to your toes, they offer purpose-built tools for every need. No guesswork, no compromises. Choose based on how often you groom, where you groom, and how much precision you want. Alright guys, thank you.